So for the people that make worlds, the athletes that make worlds, we go back to Albuquerque for our third altitude camp. It's really intense in terms of its level of focus because we'll only have a handful of athletes at practice. I also think it's really fun because it is a reward to make that world team, and they're trying to show the entire world like how good they can be on a global stage. And so those practices are fun. I actually really love Olympic and world training camps at going back to Albuquerque. So I think some good things to keep in mind for recreational athletes out there as you're getting to the final stretches of your training. It's no different than the pros. Like the first thing I said was, I don't want to overtrain them and get them injured. And it's a common mistake people make as they're ramping up into the fall here, where they're getting ready for the marathons that they've been training for, or they're in their big block of training for 5K or 10K. And the tendency is going to push and not take days off. But some of those tracking devices that you can use to see what your energy scores are, or your recovery scores are, can be really helpful to know if you should maybe move a workout back a day or take a little bit easier day than it's supposed to. And that stuff can save a race.